COVID concerns in school districts across the country are now leading to dangerous situations for school board members. They're worried for their own safety after an increasing number of threats like these.
Calm down. Yes. Calm down. We know who you are. We know who you are. You can leave freely, but we will find you, and we know who you are.
You will never be allowed in public again.
And I'm going to come for everybody that comes at my kid with this stupid, ridiculous mandate.
We are the storm, and we are here already. And when this whole thing crumbles to the ground, we will be here to hold you accountable for your crimes against humanity.
Okay, right here, look, right here. So as you can see, fists are now flying, all of this on live television. Fists are flying.
You are allowing child abuse. 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 You, with your snotty little face, you're allowing it as well.
So the National School Boards Association is asking the White House and the Education Department to help ensure the security of its members. And the group's president, Viola Garcia, is joining us now to talk about this. Viola, thank you for being with us this morning. You wrote a letter to President Biden asking, because you say you're under immediate threat, for assistance, for federal law enforcement and other assistance to deal with some of what we just saw. Tell us what exactly you think your members need.
Well, we need support. We need reinforcement of the sort that the community can give us. But more importantly, these are real threats, Brianna, that you just saw, that we all just saw, and they're occurring with greater frequency. So our letter to the White House really is indicative of the seriousness of the situation for school board members, but more especially for students in our public schools.
Tell us more about these threats, what school boards and members are experiencing.
Well, you've seen on the videos here that we as school board members have been in communication with our communities for years. School board members really aim to listen to the community. We're respectful of the opinions. We understand that there are various opinions. And school board members have been working during the pandemic, during this heightened political environment. We've been working for a year and a half during the pandemic. We've safely gotten students back in school. We know those are the most important things that schools need to be doing now. And so school board members are people in the community. They go to the grocery stores. They shop with the neighbors that are around them.
Are they, Viola, being threatened, when they're grocery shopping? Do they have people coming to their houses? Are there threats against their children?
The greatest incidents of threats that we've seen are the ones that you've demonstrated, the ones via internet connections across state lines. We've seen that many of the messages are very similar. So we rarely, I don't know the number of incidents, perhaps in grocery stores, but the greatest number and the biggest concern that we have are the threats of violence, the coordinated efforts that we seem to see because of the similarities across the state lines. And so it gives us pause. It gives us great pause because not only are we charged at the school board level for the academic viability of our students, but we also are charged with the safety and security, not only of the students, but of the staff and the community members that come in and out of our buildings. And so this is a concern.
Well, Viola, look, those videos that we see are incredibly scary. So we know that this is increasing and we'll keep an eye on it. Viola Garcia, thank you.
Thank you so much, Brianna.